what is in our locus of control?
Yeah. I think right away of the fact that, when we are in schools, if we're thinking from that solutions focused perspective,
Hmm.
then regardless of the situation that is facing us as teachers, us as staff, or a student for which we're working around,
Hmm.
then we have to come to that place of, if this is the situation, then what can we do?
Yeah, that's right. Can we
And
look
that,
at what's in our locus of control? Because it can become, again, overwhelming or even hopeless
yeah,
when all of our attention is on things that are outside
and
of this
that's,
locus of control.
I always come to the word empowering.
Yeah.
It's empowering for us to be able to reflect on what it is, and situations can be very, very difficult sometimes, but it is about being able to say, okay, there's a lot of things that are outside of our control here,
Hmm.
but what can we do?
Yeah.
And how do we move forward? And when we get to that way of thinking, then it really is quite empowering.
It is. Well, and this has tremendous impact on what we've come to know as collective efficacy within
Hmm.
an organization. The idea that we know we are making a difference and we have evidence that's able to substantiate that we're having an impact. When organizations have high degrees of collaborative or of collective efficacy, it's a much not only healthier work environment, but we know that it has positive impact on student achievement. Being able to say, oh, yeah, this is challenging. What could we do? Is way more impactful than, oh, yeah, this is challenging. Unfortunately, there's not much we can do.
Hmm.
Those are two different mindsets that really have incredible impact within our organizations.
And when you take it that one step further, of when we live and work in a culture of collaboration, then we not only are saying, what can we do in this situation, but how as a team can we work together to address the situation that's at
Hmm.
hand?